Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're putting new fenders on my Civic. There'll be a video on this channel, and then I'll also be posting a video of me doing it on my channel. So, enjoy.
Alright, so this is the passenger fender. It's not as bad as the driver, but it's really easily bent and destroyed. And here's the driver fender. It's nice and wavy, and down here it's pretty messed up. So we are putting the new fenders on, and this is going to be a sleeper build when it's fully finished, but that's just horrible. So we kind of had to do that. And it'll be getting a new front bumper because this one's just garbage too. But don't worry, it'll still look like a sleeper when we're done. Alright, so to remove the fender, there's 3 10mm bolts right here. You'll want to remove those. Now that you've got these 3 removed, you're going to want to come to the door. Alright, in the door area, there will be 1 bolt up top. You will have to open the door to get it out. Now that you've removed the 10mm from the top of the door, you'll focus on the lower 2. Alright, now down here, there will be a screw on the front and a screw in the rear. You'll remove those. And then there will be clips on the bottom side of the side skirt. Then you'll push it forward and take it off. Now that you remove those bolts, you're going to want to focus where the bumper meets the fender. Alright, now that you're at the front where the fender meets the bumper, a lot of these are held on with zip ties nowadays or 10mm bolts. On this particular one, it's held in by some 14mm bolt. So we'll go ahead and remove that, but typically it's just a 10mm bolt or a screw that holds it in. Alright, now that we've removed this crappy bumper, remove this 10mm bolt. Now that we remove that bolt, the fender's ready to come out. Alright, so I will be replacing the bumper at the same time. So I'm going to take it off. There's a clip here and a clip here, and it's held on with bolts underneath typically. But in most of these older Civics, people have already replaced the bumpers with good ones, and they've ruined all that, so these don't even have clips in them. This other side has a zip tie, so I'm just going to cut the zip tie. Alright, this is a eBay fender. A lot of people don't like them because they say they have fitment issues, but that's never been the case for us. So I'm going to go ahead and install it. Now that we got it this far, we'll go ahead and remove the side piece from the original fender with some needle nose pliers. Pops right out. Now you'll take that side piece and just pop it in the new fender. Alright, if you're wondering how to get these back on, you can pull these little white things out and you slide them back on the side skirt, and then you'll be able to just push it, line it up with the holes, and push it on. That simple. Now you put your screws back in here and on the back side, and you're done. Now we'll repeat the same process to this side. Alright, as you guys seen, it's a pretty easy install. He will have a video of this on his channel as well, so definitely go check him out. Link will be in the description below. He has a lot of plans coming. He's ordered a ton of parts for this thing, and I'll let him explain.
Still more to come. I've got new short throw shifter with brand new bushings coming in. I have a new radiator coming in because this one leaks. And you can slightly see the puddle underneath the car. It's kind of annoying. I've also will end up ordering a whole new exhaust system because this one's still the factory tiny little exhaust, and the cat's plugging up on it. And then after that, I'm hoping to order some nitrous for it.
Yep. And then we'll be sanding and painting this on this channel as well. And we'll be going Raptor Line Black, Rhino Line Black, whatever. It'll just basically look like satin black, and it's going to keep that sleeper.
Like your Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. vehicle,
yeah.
Same thing.
If you remember my Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. SUV, it'll look basically like that. So the fenders fit great. The bumper isn't the correct bumper for this year, but it fits and it kind of has a little gap. So that just helps the sleeper look, really. The hood will be getting replaced because it overlaps the bumper, which that's not good. This hood is not the right one for this car. There's a problem with the core support. But we will definitely have more coming to the channel with this car, so definitely stay tuned. There's a lot of things coming, so like, subscribe, share, get on his channel, go and like and subscribe to him. Link will be in the description, like I said earlier. And you guys have an awesome day. See you in the next video.